Hello, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum and see what technical analysis is telling us about the market. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button down there on your phone, turn on the bell. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals, and the market quite red yesterday. Big sell-off across the board. Unity was up 2%, Meta up 1.3%, TSM 0.4%. The rest of the market quite flat. BNB down 3%, SUI down 3%, WorldCoin down more. Just getting hammered, WorldCoin. Bitcoin, let's look into Bitcoin. Bitcoin 44,000, which is beautiful. Having a rebound, and look at these two hammer candles. This is a huge hammer candle that happened yesterday. A very, very good sign for Bitcoin. This one, it's a hammer candle. It fully erased the drop. So it came down, dropped all the way down to 42, activated my trade, and then bounced all the way back. So that's a hammer candle, a very bullish pattern. Stochastic is turning up on the 4-hourly. Stochastic, what a bounce off that support. I think my trade activated from yesterday. That was the trade that was already set. So that trade, I think, already activated. If not, it looks like, in my opinion, Bitcoin is going to break out. Why? Because volume is growing. Volume predicts price. As I teach you in the Crypto Mastercourse number 2 in the description, volume predicts price. And right now, Bitcoin is looking to go for a run. We haven't taken trades yet on where I would take a trade on Bitcoin is here, tight stop loss, under the major areas of support. And the safer area is from this. Actually, that's the trade I would take on Bitcoin, from this area of support down here. That's the major area of support, I would say. Monthly, weekly support, yearly support, all at 42,500. So that's the trade I would take on Bitcoin, opening at 42,514, stop loss 42,300, and take profit 60K. Risk to reward ratio is 81 times. I'm risking $213 to make $17,363 with no leverage. With 10x leverage, $173,000 of profits. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. Again, it opens at 42, a little bit of a pullback, 42,500, which is towards the 200 moving average. Stop loss 42,003. Make stop loss a little bit bigger. And actually, I'll pull it down to this support on the 200 weekly moving average. 42332, stop loss 42143, more safe on the supports. And take profit 60K, 93 times risk to reward, 188 to make 17,545. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. If you want to trade Bitcoin like you're seeing me do, under the video, go down below. One is all the exchanges that I used. Bybit gives you a 30,000 US dollar bonus when you use their exchange. OKX 50,000, BingX, those are the exchanges. 2 is the Crypto Mastercourse, where you learn how to do all this. 12-hour course, learn how technical charts, open long, shorts, take profits, technical patterns. And 3, join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you trading together. So that's my Bitcoin long from 42,332. My trade right now on Bitcoin is $75,547 in the profits. It's 511% gain, 7 Bitcoin trade. And now the expenses of keeping this trade open are much lower now. The funding fee is 0.01. So that big drop 2 days ago reset the funding fee. So it allows Bitcoin to keep going up, in my opinion, 511%. And it's $75,000 of profits. This account, 518,000, hasn't fully recovered to the all-time high, 555,000 US dollars, but it's up from 150,000 a few months ago. In here, I've got Bitcoin 2.4. I bought Bitcoin on the dip yesterday, on the day before. Uni, I bought more Uni yesterday. It's 59,000 USDT, 53,000 Doge, 52,000, down 2%. MCRT, 47,000, down 6%. FXS, 46,000, down 3%. WorldCoin, 15,700, down 9%. WorldCoin is just getting hammered here on this recent pullback. That's what's in my account here. OKX, 10K to $1 million challenge, is currently at 15,800 from 10K. So I've gone up around almost $5,400 since starting this 10K challenge, 10K to $1 million. In here, I've got my Bitcoin trade, which is open, which I added more to yesterday, the day before on the drop, up $6,400. It's now $41,000. So I sized up this Bitcoin trade on the drop, $6,400. And in here, WorldCoin, which WorldCoin is still up a little bit, but just got hammered on this recent dip. So that's on Bitcoin. And let's do Ethereum. Also, the Laws of Money course is about to be released. That comes out in the next few days, the Laws of Money course. So make sure it's 12 lessons. The lessons are the law of wealth, the law of creation, the law of mastery, the law of investments, the law of entrepreneurship, the law of momentum, the law of chronos, which is the most important one actually, the law of fortress, the law of multiplication, the law of abundance, and the law of action. This course, it's coming out in the next few days, so make sure to keep an eye out on that.
You. My gift of freedom to you is understanding this thing. Oh, money is evil. I like being poor. Is this really what you want? What do you want? Do you want to be incredibly rich where you can travel and buy whatever you want and eat whatever you want and go wherever you want? I've made a new lesson for myself, and this goes deep into abundance. And I think no one's ever said this or recorded.
The course will be released soon. Let's go into Ethereum. 2261. On that drop yesterday, pulled back all the way to this trend line. Say this is the trend line on Ethereum now. Then you have another trend line here. That drop yesterday broke the formation, the structure. The drop 2 days ago, sorry. I'll keep this trade open on Ethereum. 2216, stop loss 2183, take profit 3386. Risk reward 35 times. That's my updates on the market, everyone. That's my Bitcoin trades and OKX trades, my 10K to a million challenge. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell, and let me know in the comment section. Did you buy the dip? Are you buying the dips or are you selling? In my opinion, I think we have much more to run on Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.